Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be painting the rest of the wheels black because I don't like just the center cap being black, it looks bad. We're also going to be rhino lining the bed, and hopefully the UPS guy shows up with my new side view mirror and my new headlight bulbs, and we'll get those installed also. On top of that, maybe we'll get that dent pulled today, hopefully, and if the daylight holds in long enough. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright guys, here's a look at the supplies that we're going to be using. We got our masking paper, some index cards that we're going to use for the wheels, and some masking tape, and of course our paint and our bed liner. I'm going to show y'all how I like to mask off my wheels if I'm not going to take them out or take them off of the truck. So just keep on watching. Alright guys, what you want to do is get you some index cards, preferably buy the good ones with the stripes on them. They're a lot easier. They didn't have any when I went to buy them, so I bought these. These suck, so I had to tape them into place, but normally you can just stick the ones with the stripes on them in the holes or around your rim, and they'll just stay, and then you can paint them that way. So we're going to get to painting and masking off these other ones. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the old truck taped off for the bed liner here. As best we can, make sure we don't get anywhere we don't want it, all the way down the side here. Well guys, this is about as far as we got on the bed liner, due to I didn't buy enough, so we're going to go buy some more. But that footage will probably not be shot due to it being nighttime by the time I get back to do it. So I just thought I'd give y'all a little preview. The wheels got done and they look really good. They look way better in black than they do in chrome with just the black caps. We got our new headlights in. Both sides are working. High lows are accurate now. They're not backwards like they were before on the last set because they sent me the wrong set before. Our mirror did come in, but it's broken. I'm going to add a picture in and of where it's broken. I have to send them back and they're going to send me another set. So that'll have to be another video for another day. We're running out of daylight, so I'm not going to get the dent fixed either. So you guys just take it easy and stay frosty. Alright guys, so we did the bed liner and everything, but it turns out that either I didn't prep the surface well enough or the stuff just doesn't work, because as you can see over there, it is completely just started peeling out. I mean, this just got done. I mean, just a couple days ago we just did it. And it's peeling out over here too. There's the old rear view mirror. We got the new one installed last night. Looks pretty good. And we also got our new thermostat in, so today will be the test drive for that. Get the motor heated up and everything, and see if this one's actually going to work.